We're at the Pittsworth Kindergarten. We cater about 44 students that range from sort of 3.5 to 5 years of age. We were really keen when we came in this year to really enhance the playground for the kids. This kindergarten is all about play-based learning so that when they hit that prep, they're really engaged and ready to go. We started off with just natural things that we could incorporate that didn't cost much to start with. The dry creek bed, it just allows open play. They, can move things around, build little walls, dams, whatever they wanted to. The yarning circle is just great for them to be able to tell stories and to sit around and talk and laugh. We had applied for them on Santogram. We then were able to look at building this deck. So the deck around the tree had a few goals, a bit of open-ended play for them, an area for them to sit and be away from, green ants and things on the ground. We also hoped that in time it will encourage our parents to be able to have a spot that they can sit and read with their kids or, do those sort of things to get a bit more of the community spirit in as well. We also were able to put in this wonderful climbing wall here. It's been an absolute hit. Just the look on their faces when they don't want to do it to start with, but then they gain that confidence and they can get up there is amazing. That's been a real asset to the kindergarten.